In today's video, I am going to teach you how to manage basic authors on Squarespace 7.0. To begin, log into your Squarespace account and make sure you are on the main dashboard for the website you want to manage. This is where you can control site settings, permissions, and contributor access. If you are already signed in, you can go straight to the Home menu on the left side of the screen. From the Home menu, click Settings. This section contains the main controls for your website, including business information, domains, and user access. Since author roles are managed through site permissions, the next thing you need to do is select permissions. Once you are inside permissions, you will see the area where contributors and roles are managed. This is where you can add someone new and decide what level of access they should have. To continue, click Add Basic Author. This option is used when you want to invite someone to contribute content without giving them full administrative control over the site. After that, enter the new author's name and email address in the required fields. Squarespace uses this information to send the invitation and identify the contributor inside your site settings. You may also have the option to add an image for the author. This can be helpful if you want profiles to be easier to recognize, especially when multiple contributors are working on the same site. Next, find the basic author permission setting and make sure the switch is turned on. This is an important part of the process because it confirms the role you want to assign. A basic author typically has limited access compared to an administrator, which helps you keep control over the rest of the website while still allowing the person to contribute in the intended way. When everything looks correct, click Invite. Squarespace will then send the invitation to the email address you entered. Once the person accepts the invite, they will be added to the site with the basic author role you selected. As a final check, it is always a good idea to review the permissions list after sending the invitation, just to confirm that the new contributor appears with the correct access level. That way, you can be confident they have the right role before they start working on your site. That covers everything you need to know.